symptoms of a stroke happen suddenly, and an easy way to remember them is to think of the words B fast. If you think B for balance, a sudden loss of balance or feeling dizzy. E, your eyes. If you lose vision in one eye in particular, suddenly, something to be concerned about. For F for fast is your face. Is your face drooping? Is your smile crooked? Does your face feel numb? A is for arms. If you have weakness in one of your arms, you can't raise your one arm suddenly. S is speech. So if you have trouble speaking and get a little slurred speech, that's something to think about. And T is time. When these things happen, it's important to act quickly. Look at what time it is, call 911. Don't stop and think about it. The sooner you get care, the sooner you can get the help that you need.